administrator, headmistress, assistant headmistress, coordinators, teachers, and all my fellow friends. My name is Peluto and I am standing here representing Class 1C. Denmark, capital Copenhagen, language Danish, population 5.7 million. Denmark is ranked as the happiest country in the world with free universities, free childcare, medical camp, and low level of corruption. Denmark people are well educated and a nearly 100% literacy rate. Bluetooth was named after Harald Bluetooth, King of Denmark. 1,000 years ago, the first troll doll was created by a Danish fisherman who could not afford giving his daughter a Christmas gift. Mange tak.